Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Binance to Metamask in app. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Binance mobile application and then you need to tap on the Wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now over here, you need to tap on Spot in the top and then you are going to see all of the cryptos that you have in your Binance account. So you just have to select that particular crypto which you want to transfer from Binance to Metamask. For this video, I'm going to select USDT. So you will have to tap on USDT and here you are going to see the withdraw option. So you need to tap on withdraw and after that you need to tap on send via crypto network. Once I've done that, you will be landed on this page where it will ask you to provide the deposit address. So you just have to launch your Metamask mobile application. Now once you have successfully logged in Metamask, you will have to tap on Tether or USDT. If you are not able to find it on the home page, then you will have to tap on the import token button in the bottom and after that in the search bar you will have to search for USDT. Then you need to tap on USDT and then you just have to tap on the import button in order to get it on the home page. Now once you have it on the home page, you need to tap on it and then you just have to scroll down. Here you are going to see the option of receive, so you need to tap on receive and then you will be able to see the QR code as well as the deposit address of USDT. So you just have to copy that wallet address from here and then you need to come to this page of Binance again. Now you need to paste the address that you have just copied from Metamask. Then it will ask you to select the network. So we have selected ERC20 on Metamask. So you will have to select the same over here. Then you will have to enter the amount that you want to transfer. And after that, you will have to tap on the withdraw button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. On the next page, you just have to confirm your transfer and this way you would be able to easily transfer your money from Binance to Metamask in app. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.